Hello, today we are looking at top 10 non-profit WordPress themes to build the perfect and eye-catching non-profit websites. All the themes that are mentioned are handpicked from the top marketplaces that helps you to build perfect and creative websites for promotion and branding. It may be for your personal, commercial or agencies. All these themes will fit perfectly. The link for the themes are mentioned in the description. Before going to the top 10 non-profit WordPress themes, here comes VictorThemes store, where you can get 40 plus WordPress themes and 1500 plus creative graphic templates for just $59 per year with monthly new files. Subscribe to VictorThemes store and explore the unlimited access for quality files. Now let's start with top 10 non-profit WordPress themes. Number 1. Groppe, non-profit WordPress theme by VictorThemes. Groppe is a fully functioned and fundraised charity WordPress themes that helps you to create a beautiful non-profit organization websites. You can promote your website everywhere with a highly featured donation plugin and enriched layouts that makes people believe in causes. It comes with pre-made home demos, different header styles, multiple color options, dedicated donation plugin and many more that helps you to have a perfect charity and non-profit websites. Number 2. Alone, charity multipurpose non-profit WordPress theme by VictorThemes. Alone is a powerful and flexible WordPress theme that comes with 30 plus unique and stunning demos. It is suitable for all your ideas and different types of non-profit organizations, NGO, church, events, political, candidate and campaign project. It is responsive and retina ready theme that comes with a comprehensive options panel, unique page transitions and distinctive typography that makes your site look more professional. Experience this highly customizable theme and makes your non-profit site a great hit. Number 3. Charitix, non-profit charity WordPress theme by Themepress is perfectly built for charity, non-profit, NGO, donation and fundraising campaigns with outstanding and amazing features. This theme has all the necessary features for a charity site. The features are built with super friendly UX, which offers you the best experience ever of a complete charity WordPress theme. Number 4. Green Nature, environmental non-profit WordPress theme by Good Layers. It is a responsive WordPress theme especially designed for nature, environment, environmental, donation, non-profit, foundation, natural and NGO website. This theme comes with necessary features such as donation system and also the take action form, which is being used in many popular non-profit websites. This theme is also compatible with most popular e-commerce plugin WooCommerce and also compatible with WPML, one of the well-designed and structured themes you can find in our list. Get your non-profit website done with this theme and feel the difference. Number 5. Charity Foundation, charity WordPress theme by Nick Dark. Charity WordPress theme is a clean WordPress theme that fits perfectly for all kinds of charity, fundraising and non-profit websites. It is a great theme that will make a model and professional website with all your needs. The theme includes a cool donation plugin which lets you to create causes, make donations and much more. Its creative page templates helps you to build a proper and well-developed website as you wish. Make sure to explore it, you will really enjoy it. Number 6. CharityHeart, non-profit fundraising WordPress theme by Good Layers. CharityHeart is a clean, responsive WordPress theme. It is especially designed for charity, NGO, non-profit organizations, donations, church or fundraising websites. CharityHeart comes with many awesome features such as parallax, color, full width sections, better column or row management. They also put many other cool features such as importing demo page buttons, mega menu, boxed or full style, scalable containers and much more. Number 7. Hope, non-profit, charity and donation WordPress theme by Themepress. It is a modern and colorful WordPress theme designed for charity, non-profit designed for charity and non-profit organizations with RTL. This beautiful theme is the best choice for any contemporary charity company, NGO agencies and for all kinds of non-profit organizations. A highly designed and structured theme that includes all the necessary features for your non-profit website. This theme is fully compatible with premium plugins which helps you to customize the theme as quickly and easily as possible. Make sure to explore this theme and don't forget to add it to your checklist. Number 8. ACT, non-profit charity theme by KLB Theme. It is a perfect for non-profit website that you can use it for any professional companies or small groups which aim to collect donations. It is a retina-ready, multi-purpose non-profit charity WordPress theme built with HTML5 and CSS3. This highly customizable theme comes with features like one-click demo installations, unlimited color, WooCommerce, crowdfunding, donation section, and demo data and many more to make your website look more elegant. Number 9. Lifeline, NGO, non-profit and charity WordPress theme by Webinare. Lifeline is a clean, highly flexible and beautifully designed template with fresh and mobile-friendly layouts. This non-profit WordPress theme has been successful in helping different fundraising organizations to showcase their content and get donations. The WordPress theme can be used for fundraising, NGO, charity, or any other non-profit project. It comes with 85 plus dynamic elements, 10 plus predefined color schemes, 5 header styles with some effective features. This theme helps you to build an effective charity website easily in a matter of minutes. Number 10. CharityHeart, non-profit WordPress theme by Apus Theme. It is a clean WordPress charity theme which fits for all kinds of charity, single charity, fundraising, non-profit, NGO and other non-profit charity projects. The theme includes a cool donation plugin which lets you to create causes, make donations and much more. CharityHeart theme supports many great tools to enable the features via theme options. Finally, every single element in the CharityHeart is entirely responsive, as content can be viewed from desktop and mobile devices. That's it for top 10 non-profit WordPress themes, and the link for the themes are mentioned below. Finally, here comes VictorThemes store again. Don't miss this limited time offer. Get your quality files today.